everybody. What are we gonna do today?
I don't know. What are we doing?
We're gonna make some snow cones.
Some snow cones. Today we have the nostalgia snow cone maker, huh? Yeah? We're gonna make some snow cones?
Yeah, like Mike Wazowski.
Like Mike Wazowski makes snow cones.
Yeah, when Sally's friends.
Something about Sully, yep, and his friends. Alright, here we go.
Let's.
So first what we gotta do is we have the snow cone machine or holder right here. Right, Lluvia?
Yeah, first we stick it out like this.
Don't we need ice?
Maybe it's. Yes, we do.
Oh, there it is. And what color is this cup?
Purple.
Purple. And in Spanish, ¿cómo se dice purple en español?
Morado.
Morado. Yep, good girl. All right.
Get up.
Let's put the ice inside. Do you want to use your fingers? Like you can pour it like this. All right, not too much, right? Just a little bit. I think that's good.
I think that's good. That's good.
Oh, I guess too much.
I think that's good.
What do you think, Mom? Is that good?
I think that's good.
Good. Okay.
Dad, can I touch it?
Yeah, you want to touch it?
Be careful of the blade inside.
Tastes like icicles.
Tastes like icicles, huh? You haven't even tasted it. Then, what is this?
It's a vanilla cone.
She thinks it's a vanilla cone. It's just a snow cone cup. That's what it is.
Yeah.
All right, and we're gonna open this.
Yes.
Are you guys gonna open this?
Whoa. Look at this.
All right, and where do we put that one?
Boy.
Only one.
And here.
Okay, go ahead.
And yours too.
And we put it in like this, right, Mom?
Yep.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, you gonna help me, Lluvia? You gotta be careful with this one, okay?
Okay.
All right, come here. All right.
We're gonna press the button, okay?
All right. Ready? And go. Gotta turn it, huh? There we go. All right, ready again. Let's see.
That's a big one.
Ooh. Nice. Are you gonna eat this one?
Yeah.
Then let's not put your fingers in it.
Okay.
What color should we put? Should we put
Maybe
blue raspberry
Yeah.
or cotton candy?
Like this.
All right, blue raspberry it is.
How do you say blue in Spanish?
Wow. How do you say blue in Spanish?
I mean, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe azul?
Yeah, azul.
Azul. That's how you say blue in Spanish.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up like this. You twist it.
Twist it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Yeah.
Do you just put a whole bunch, Mom?
I think she puts as much as she wants.
Ah.
Oh!
That much?
I think you are stronger than we think.
I think that's good.
You think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. And
Here we go.
do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay. Now you.
Try it, taste it. You know how to?
No.
Can I try it?
Maybe with the spoon and straw that we have.
Maybe with the spoon we have. With the straw. Let's try a little bit of this.
Daddy's eating your whole snow cone, babe.
Good? No, wait, don't put it back. Try drinking it like this.
No, I want to do it. Like this?
There you go. Try drinking it.
Yeah.
Does it need more? Yeah, probably needs a little bit more. This one more. There you go.
And it's okay because it's sugar free.
Boom.
Sugar free. What do you think, babe?
Maybe cotton candies.
You want to try a cotton candy one?
Okay. Now we're gonna try mine.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put mine in.
Yeah, I want to help yours.
You're gonna help me with mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hold mine?
Where are we gonna put this? Let's put this
On.
right here, like this.
Yeah.
Let's hopefully, let's make sure it doesn't melt.
Yeah.
All right, come on. There we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it first.
Okay, you do it
Let's
first.
do it with our hands.
Okay, let's do it with our hands. She wants to do it with her hands. I love tasting Lluvia fingers.
No, don't taste my finger. There's probably like some water or slipping on cotton candies.
Cotton candy and Lluvia finger flavored.
The best combination in the world.
I think I'm done.
You think you're done? Can I put a little bit more?
I know.
A little bit more for mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can. I guess I use my fingers too.
Then I just my fingers too.
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
All right, you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You push it and I twist, okay? All right, let's both push it and I twist. Damn.
Can you touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. Thank you.
What does it feel like, babe?
It tastes like lemon.
Like lemon. Okay, scoot over. Let's do mine. I think I want cotton candy.
Yeah, okay.
What color? What color is this one?
Red.
It is kind of red, huh? Kind of like a pinkish red.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Like that. There you go. We're gonna pour it in. Go.
Oh.
I think I put a lot in mine, huh? Just so you can hold it. Let's put more in yours.
Maybe I want this.
You want that one too?
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna mix it.
Oh. I wonder what color blue and pink mixed together
I'm
makes.
gonna put a little bit more blue. Okay, then you mix that one. Deal?
Okay.
Okay. A little bit blue. Let's see.
Blue
Mix, mix, mix.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
and now
I do
pink.
it. I don't want to do it.
Okay, okay.
Daddy, can you help me? It's not coming out.
It's not coming out? I think it came out. Look at all that.
I think this one.
Okay, let me see. See, it's coming out. That is a lot of sugar-free water.
Daddy, can I mix it around?
You mix it around. All right, you hold yours.
Now let's do Daddy's.
And this is mine. Cheers. Actually, does taste like cotton candy. That tastes really good.
How does yours taste, babe?
Like lemon.
So blueberry. Drink a little bit more. What? So I guess blueberry and cotton candy makes lemons. Is that right? Want some more?
I want to taste some.
No, Mommy, let's get your own one.
Oh, you're gonna make me
it's
one?
gonna make you one.
Yay!
Get one from her.
Okay.
My mommy. Let's put
You have
this.
some more?
No.
Drink some more so that way we can make mummies.
I don't want to.
Oh.
I don't think that's gonna work, Daddy.
Made it work. All right.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah.
And then I am gonna do it. I am gonna do it.
You gonna do it for your mommy?
Mhm.
All right. Now what we gotta do?
We gotta push it up.
I think it needs more ice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's lift this.
Yeah, I am gonna do it.
You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. I am gonna do it.
All right.
I'm standing up.
I see you. She's standing up.
I
Let's
think
see.
that's good.
Yeah, it's good. I think a few more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like the rest.
Mm-hmm. Let's close this up.
Like the rest. There we go. Oh, we have all the ice.
I don't know.
Let's squish it.
Can you touch it?
Don't squish it though, just touch it. There you go.
Does it feel different than the other two?
I hope not. What flavor do you want, Mom?
I want mixed, please.
Mixed. That means she wants cotton candy and blue raspberry.
I want to know what color blue and pink make together.
A very dark blue.
Maybe like a cookie. Or like lemon. What's this? I
You got it? Squeeze it a little bit like this. There we go.
I got it.
Got it?
I got it.
Alright, now the blue one.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Okay, she's gonna do it by herself.
She's a big girl now.
She's a very independent 2-year-old. You help?
I got it. I think that's good.
Sorry, Mom.
That's
Go ahead
okay.
and try it.
But mommy, you need a straw. That's
Oh.
the drink.
Oh,
need a
I need a
straw.
straw, please.
Okay. Mommy likes this.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
There it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And
How does it taste, Mom?
Mommy.
Ooh, delicious.
There you go. I think you gotta drink it before that cup starts to
Dissolve.
dissolve, deteriorate, everything.
Daddy, you need straw.
Come on, we're done.
Well, you need straw.
Can I get this one?
Mom, take this.
Okay.
It's done.
It's done.
Yeah, I want another one.
You want another one?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Should we make you get another one? Yeah.
So, like, I received this one. Alright, bye.
Bye.